Okay, let's start with the skin. Okay? So, pwede sinabi mong skin, this is the what? The largest organ of the body / external. Okay? Why? Meron kang internal ng largest organ of the human body, and that is the liver. Okay? Kapag external, that is your skin. Kapag naman internal, that is your liver. Okay? So, it is composed of epidermis, dermis, and a layer of connective tissue. Okay? So, may first natin ng organ. So, importante din siyang organ. Why? Mas dali siya i-studyhan because naka-layer. Kung panitan baka, ano ba ang makita sa iyong kapanin? So, kung nagyaman mo kayo na ng first layer, epithelial. Okay? The second layer, connective tissue. The third layer would be your muscle, and eventually, pinakababa nila makakapo ang nerves na dalago. Okay? Ano pa? So, again, the dermis and epidermis is irregular, and eventually, the projections is called the papilla. So, derivatives, eventually, we're going to learn about hairs, nails, sebaceous, and sweat glands. Okay? So, sabi daw dito, sa baba ng dermis, meron another part which is the the subcutaneous tissue. Okay? A loose connective tissue that may contain all adipose cells. This is what? Connective tissue, which is fats. Okay? So this one is what I'm talking about. So for example, this is already the general image of the skin. Okay? So how would you appreciate? Ako na dapat na-learn itong basic. What is the epithelial tissue as stratified squamous, connective tissue, etc. Because i-combine na natin. Okay? So this one, from here to here, this is a epithelial tissue. What kind of epithelial tissue? What kind? Stratified squamous epithelium. Keratinized or non-keratinized? Keratinized. Okay? So this one na nasa baba, no, these are your dermal papilla. Okay? So anong purpose sa dermal papilla? Dira nagalusot ang imong mga ugat, your blood vessels, to give nutrients and oxygen to the nearby na parts. Okay? Look, what if straight na lang kayo sa imong dermal papilla do? Mas dapat siya magamitan or ma-occupy if nag-aamon siya sila. Okay? Because it's for the surface area. Okay? Eh kung straight lang niya siya, ang diffusion niya, amulan na, di ba? Paano ang sa taas? Pero if amon niya siya, diffuse. Okay? So talan na part, daw sa part ang diffusan sa nutrients. Okay? So let's talk about the epidermis. Your epidermis is stratified, squamous, keratinized epithelium. Okay? Bakit stratified? Patong-patong. Squamous, flat cells. Keratinized, nasa'y keratin. Okay? Tapos, hindi lang muna ang may alat dito. May alat po siya sa mga extra cells na included. And that is your melanocytes, Langerhans cells, and your Merkel cells. Okay? Anong purpose nila sa melanocytes? Produce melanin, which is the reason why anong brown ka o? Hindi ka brown. Okay? May ito na. Brown ang pinag-brown. Okay? Ooh! Isunod yan ah. Huh? So wala yung itong, ano lang, brown. Okay? Kung gamay ang pinaproduce sa mga melanocytes na melanin, that's the reason why you are white. Okay? Ang Langerhans cells, what are these cells? These are your monocyte or macrophages. Okay? Your Merkel cells naman, these are your what? For sensation. Okay? So meron ka para sa protection sa ultraviolet, meron ka protection to other organisms and other antigens. At yung ikatatlo, meron ka niyan for sensation or sense of touch. Okay? So we have 5 different layers of the stratum. Okay? No? So what's the 5 layers? You have that? From taas, from babaw. Corneum, basahin mo ang baba, pataas na siya. Ang pinaka-outer. Outer, corneum. Next is, pero, nasan mo lang makita ang lucido? In the palms and soles of your feet. Kasi palm. Palm tree? Palm. Ano yung kamot? Ano ba siya ko? Kamot, kag ang imo nga, buol-buol. It contains stratum lucidum. Diba? O, sige. Ang panit mo dito sa likod sa kamot mo, same ba sa imo nga katubangan? Yes or no? So, ang difference na, ang hindi siya same is because of what layer? Stratum lucidum. That's why, mas bagang siya, mas capable siya sa mas harsh na force. Okay? Diba? No? So, ang imo nga panit ka, pagtapik pa lang na sa may sa init na tubig, pasok kinatitso. Pero ang imo nga kamot, no? Medyo diba? Nadugay-dugay mo pa siya. Naisipan mo pa. Okay? Stratum lucidum is the thick skin. So how would you tell your kaaway in a scientific way? You're so stratum lucidum. Alam mo, the best feature of your face is that you have stratum lucidum. Pagkakang nawo. Okay? Diba? The best feature of your face is stratum lucidum. Babe, pagunit na, babe. Nanay stratum lucidum. Okay? Pagkakang nawo. Okay? Because, no? Even though na maliit lang yan siya, pero it's thicker. And it's more dense. Okay? So, itanawa good? No? Try nyo po ang inyong mapam, di ba? Hindi sa mo sila kasakit as compared na po si Ormoning Panic sa likod. No? Paano ka mag-low-key? Na mag-inigan sa mga crush? Ay! Sige, paano daw, Jessica? Gamitin mo na yung na-learn mo sa... May pala ka kasi yung kamot mo na stratum lucidum. After, ganito na yun mo. Katawa. Gagawin chat mo na yun? Pwede matanda sa stratum lucidum niya. Ay! Arate. Sige. the lucidum, granulosum. After the granulosum, spinosum. After spinosum, basale. Basal? Spinosum ko rin yung isa kay social, tapos basal na nasulat. Basale. Basale. Okay? After the basale, your dermis. Again, kung sa ganito nga type of tissue ang inyong dermis, connective tissue. Dili tanan magdiretso og dense, regular, no? Depende ba na siya sa part sa imong body. Pero sa skin, what's the next layer? After ano? Ganun. Ano sa ganun? Sa skin. What's the next? What's the type of connective tissue according to the book? It's ano ba? Before ang alipos. Dapat na yung alipos. Ganyan. Kung saan klase ng connective tissue, it's subcutaneous. Before pa na. Kung saan type of connective tissue, ano na lang? Sa dermis. Dense, irregular, connective tissue. Okay? So, kung saan ganin? Kung saan yung magkakainin? Ay! Saan ganin? That's a keratin. Okay? And then sa baba, okay ba yung cells o? Kana, keratin na siya. Kani is your stratified squamous epithelium. Kani is your dense, irregular, connective tissue. Okay? So, kung appreciate nila, nagalay-lahi ang lawag niya, no? Depende sa picture. Okay? So, let's begin with, start muna with hair. Yung hair mo, again, it's coming from your epidermal epithelium. Okay? So, most of the time, no, grows discontinuously and have periods of growth followed by periods of rest. But you will be amazed that if even though patay na ang tao, the most active happening part sa body is your hairs. And man, isig kalbo na natin mo, babalik din mo after pila ka months, na nalibog na taas. Okay? Even if you die, especially your hair sa buhok, sa ulo, it's still alive. Okay? Buhay pa yan. No, ang minabuhat ako ay ginagupit, kaya po na namin or ginagriman sa cadaver. No? Because natutulog siya. Okay? No? So, anong points ito? Kung mapatay ka, mas kinakating mo bulbol, bubugay na siya. Okay? No? Wala kaya pagka-choice. Diba? Natupugin ang hair. Okay? It's capable of producing hair. Okay? So, dermal papilla, etc., etc. Okay? This is your hair, children. No? The main reason why goosebumps ganyan because of this muscle, which is the erector pili muscle. Okay? So, kung magulitay na mo sa stratum lucidum sa imong crush, tapos na goosebumps ka, that's the erector pili muscle. Okay? Have you experienced goosebumps naman siguro, di ba? Pag inam sa sport, goosebumps. Okay? Erector pili. Okay? Yeah. Sebaceous glands, what does your sebaceous glands produce? Sebum. Okay? So you have here, no? Siyempre, di man yung mga picture ng sebum dito. You have your hair follicle, no? Hair root, no? The hair appendage, tapos the sebaceous gland. So what happens in acne is that your sebum is favorite ng bacteria. Tapos yung bacteria, pupunta dyan, dadami dyan kasi iusawa na siya at tuwa na siya sa inyong cells. To the point na mag-ipit na siya diha, ay mong sibog, mudaghan na siya diri, no? Mag-backflow siya, to the point na mag-swell and mas magdaghan na nana. Okay? So, sa ginabuhat nila usually, tinatanggal ang black heads and white heads. Why? It will serve as, no? Kung siyang next step for acne. Okay? So, actually, it depends. No? If nagapangugas mo kagihapon or makayo lang sa antibiotic ang inyong kagaw, patanggal na siya. Pero if nanay medyo kusog-kusog na kagaw, hindi siya madalag sa sabon, mudaghan hindi na siya niya. Okay, that's why ang uban, gusto mo ubos mo tanan sa sabon, eh wala na yung antibiotic ang sabon, hindi binapagina ang acne. That's why sa ginagawa sa mga derma, they give antibiotics for 1 month. Okay, can you imagine? Ihamis ka, kasi next step, ilapsi na kakalmay. Ano man ilapsi na ka? Gubahin kidney. Okay? Ano man? Antibiotic for 1 month. Okay? Pili ka. Kung gulod ka na mabuhi or hamis ka na mapatay. So dito ka na lang sa kung gulod ka mabuhi. Okay? Diba? Sebaceous glands not found in the skin of the palms and soles. Kasi nakalagay sweat glands. Okay, na sweat glands din. Asan mo usually makita ang mga sebaceous glands? Sa face. Okay? Dok, meron ka ng uban ko ang hit mo kay ilog. Because the sweat glands produces sweat that is usually kinakain ng bacteria. So it's not the sweat, ang baho, it's the bacteria. Okay? Observe ninyo, if nakakaila ng bahong ilog, kunya nagamit niya to ang damit for a long time, and ikaw hindi ka bahong ilog, pero nabasag o baho sa o sweat ni mo katong iyang sanina, magbahog yun siya. Okay, ano ba? Wala namatay ng kagaw. It just waits for your sweat. Kaya para ma-activate siya. Okay, try ninyo, no? Suotin ninyo itong nasuot na sa kailan mo bahog ilog. Isang day ka bahog ilog, bahog yung ilog, ano ba? Hindi na siya simong ilog, na siya sa bacteria na nakakapot sa damit. Okay? So sa buhatan yung ubaw ang imong damit, labay. Okay? That's the best thing. Why? Mas mudaghan mo muna siya. Okay? Mas mudaghan na mabali-balin lang. Ang kagaw, matos yung ilog, tapos eventually, mabali na po sa ex mong damit. So tanan yung damit masutol, nanay ka mo. Okay? So kasi ka ng dog, ilabay na naman ng dog. Okay, ano ba yun? Ilabay na naman. Kaya wala na, maski hindi na baho yung ilog, if baho, arang pag-yapon ng bacteria sa damit, hindi kinawala. Okay? Hindi kinawala. Okay? Sebaceous, what kind of gland gland is your sebaceous gland? It's a colloidal gland because secretion is released with remnants of dead cells. Okay? Sebaceous glands begin to function at puberty. Okay? So that's why kung sinagay mo during puberty, you get acne, you get whiteheads, blackheads, tanggal na yung hamest era. Okay? And it's normal because it's part of puberty. Char. Kung pumudol ka niya po na sa karoon, very low puberty. So why? Why does usually yung lalaki, yung medyo garas unaw? Why? It's because of testosterone. So the more testosterone you have, the more sebaceous gland functioning, the more na mas pumudol. Okay, but it's not true to all. It does not mean that the more testosterone, gamay ka, hands ka, no. Okay? Depende din na siya. Okay? Pero factor lang ang testosterone. Okay? Women, it is a combination of ovarian and adrenal androgens. Okay? So if you are going to cut the hair follicle, and you are going to, or the sebaceous gland, I mean, you are going to observe what kind of epithelial tissue? Sa manin? It's what? You review, because the questions will be what type of epithelial tissue ang sebaceous gland. Okay? So you need to study, You need to study. Okay. Sweat glands. Yan. Lahi ang imong sweat glands as compared to your sebaceous gland and apocrine gland. Okay? So how would you appreciate? No? Ang sweat glands natin siya ay simple cuboidal or stratified cuboidal na pattern. Okay? Can you appreciate here? This is already what? Stratified cuboidal. Diba? Cuboidal, tapos pila ka layer? 2. So that is already stratified cuboidal. Okay? Okay? Sige. So in your book, you need to study, what is the connective tissue na nasa baba na the dermal papilla. You need to study how would you differentiate stratum corneum from a lucidum or basalium. It might come out as matching type tomorrow. Okay? So, may matching type tomorrow, meron din multiple choice, tapos yung zip grade, you need to provide your own. Okay? So, tomorrow, you need to provide your own zip grade. Okay? So, questions about the lecture?